LinkedIn, I came across a post discussing how AI native unicorn startups are outperforming traditional businesses. Everyone in the comments kept talking about AI agents and autonomous marketing. But what does that actually mean for someone trying to grow a business with a very small team?
It means the way marketing team operates is changing. A few years ago, scaling digital marketing requires content writers, campaign managers, SEO specialists, analysts, and customer support team. Today, AI can handle a significant portion of those activities.
So, we are talking about more than simple marketing automation.
Much more. Traditional automation follows predefined rules. AI agents can make decisions, adapt to situations, and work towards specific business goals. That's what makes them different.
And where do tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, and Anything fit into this picture?
Think of them as digital marketing teammates. They can help generate content, analyze campaign performance, research competitors, create ad copy, optimize SEO, qualify leads, and even manage customer interactions.
So, marketers spend less time doing repetitive work and more focusing on strategy.
Exactly. The role shifts from execution to orchestration.
Give me an example. What does this look like in practice?
Imagine a new leads fill out a form on your website.
Normally, someone would review the lead, send an email, update the CRM, and notify the sales team.
Right. Several manual steps.
And with AI,
The lead enters the system. An AI agent analyzes the inquiry, score the lead, generates a personalized response, update the CRM, assign priority, and schedule follow-up actions automatically.
so instead of managing every task, the marketer supervises the process.
Exactly. AI handles execution while human focuses on decision making.
And that's where Anything becomes important.
That's where everything connects and it acts as a central nervous system. One AI agent can generate content and another can monitor the campaign performance. Another can respond to customer inquiry and another can create executive reports.
Almost like having multiple marketing departments working simultaneously.
That's the idea. You are building a marketing engine that operates continuously.
Suppose someone wants to build their first AI powered marketing workflow. Where should they start?
Step 1. Identify one repetitive marketing task.
Just one?
Exactly. Maybe it's content creation, lead qualification, reporting, social media publishing, or customers follow-ups.
What's next?
Step 2. Map the workflow. Define the trigger, the inputs, and the desired outcome.
Design before implementation?
Always. Step 3. Build the workflow in Anything using the tool you already use. Google Analytics, HubSpot, MetaX, LinkedIn, Gmail, Slack, Notion, or your CRM.
And then bring AI into the process.
Exactly. Step 4. Add AI agent that can analyze campaign data, write content, summarize customer feedback, generate ad creatives, or recommend optimization opportunities.
And the final step?
Step 5. Test with real marketing scenarios. Refine the workflow and then deploy it. Once it's running, you will have a system working around the clock to support growth.
How quickly can businesses see results?
Often within days. The first workflow saves time. The second improves consistency. By the fifth or sixth workflow, you are fundamentally transforming how marketing operates.
If you are interested in AI powered digital marketing, autonomous customer journeys, and marketing automation, check out the resources linked below.
And if you enjoyed this discussion, subscribe for more conversations on AI marketing, growth strategies, automation, and the future of digital commerce.
Thanks for listening.
We will see you in the next episode.